Good morning, Washington, D.C. Welcome to GML Engineering Podcast. Today we'll be talking about asset management and its importance in companies. What are the three top reasons for asset management? As you know, assets can cost from hundreds to thousands. Either way, securing the assets means securing data, which is valuable for a business to operate in accordance to standards. Number one, asset management helps with inventory, and it means knowing where each asset is located and how it's used. Tracking, that's number two, preventing theft by adding tracking software. This actually ensures that every individual that's holding an asset is utilizing the asset for business purposes, and it also stops the individuals from installing any unwanted apps in the asset. Number three, it allows remote support from IT gurus and for a smooth implementation of risk management. Thank you.